Hello guys, good morning. Mag-update lang ako dito sa garden ko. So right now we have bitter gourd. Look at that. Diba maganda siya? We have yan. So all these line and on the other side all bitter gourd ang palaya. Dami na siyang bunga oh. Mahal kasi dito sa America, so I have to plant some of these and it's better fresh. I also love to eat this tops of the ampalaya. Do you like it too? Yeah. Ito. Oh, so nice. Oh my goodness, I have also green beans. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I do have a lot of variety of. Oh, and we have dark green and we have light green, and I think we have purple, but I don't know where it is. And this is another type of ampalaya, bitter gourd. It's the native kind. Oh, there's a lot. My goodness, there's a lot more. Halaka. Wow, ganda naman. Oh, there's a lot here too. Wow, look at that. Ang ganda. My goodness. Oh, even down below. Look at this. Huh, ang dami. They're just all hiding. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. This one is big. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Ang dami guys talaga. Ang dami. We have also okra here. Look at that. So flowering. Oh. Let's go up in here. So I made this thing to have them. Oh, look at that. You know, I let them hang. Oh, ganda pala siya pag nakahang. This is nice. Oh, yeah, it's my first time to put like hanging because I have lots of bamboo stick. Ganda pala niya. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I have like chilies too. Ano no? My goodness, isang puno, daming bunga. Look at that. That's all chilies. Here's another kind. Yeah. Dami. It's a lot. What is it? Oh, it's already orange. Hey. Dami. So this one. Dami talaga oh. We have call it pepper, green. Dami nila oh. And I have another variety, mga giant. Yan, iba din to na variety. Look at that guys, oh. Shara! Look at that, this is my hand. Ang laki. Diba, ang haba-haba. Look at this, almost like it's more than the length of my hand. Look. Grabe. They're giants. And then I have this here. Bountiful Roma. And we have visitors here, animals that likes to eat. Just snip snip and then gone. Aww. And we have also like Thai chili. Oh, diba? Sarap naman. So we have 3 types of tomatoes here. One is Roma. I like Roma. And then this is like my husband's fave beef steak type of tomatoes. They're big. Oh, look at the animals. See that? Yeah, they like to snip. They like to eat, bite on it and then left. Oh, there's already right now. So, look at this one. This is super sweet cherry tomatoes. I mean literal sweet. Even my boy likes to come here and eat, pick and eat. My goodness, a lot. There's a lot of green, guys. And my mom always picked them right away, the red ones. Ayan, dami-dami talaga. As in. So, try to visit. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Shut up. Look at this one. Man. My goodness. It's a lot na. Oh, thank you, Lord. Look at this. There's a lot to land. Dami ng bunga. Yeah, ready to harvest. Hey, look at that. Dami-dami. Dami-dami nila. Ay. Aww. Oh, this side. My goodness me. Look at this. This side too. Look. Oh, so much. My goodness. This is a lot. Oh my. Look at this one. It's long. It's very long. Wow. Ang daming bunga. This side too. Oh my. May saluyot din kami. Ito. Wow. Look at this one. We have purple. We do have purple. Only one. Only this side. Oh, not a lot. Oh man, just one. Oh, yeah. My goodness, look at this one. It's really taking over. I don't know what is this. But I saw a flower here. Oh yes, this one. It's the flower. Hopefully it will have fruit soon. I don't know what is that. Hindi naman siya. It's not a squash. It's not a squash. Upo. Patula. Not sure. My mom planted this. So we'll see. I love it. I like the foliage. It really looks good. Yung mga talong namin, mama already harvest. Yan, saluyot yan, saluyot. We have also like lemongrass. Yeah, mama already harvested that potato. Look at this one, huh? Well, hello you. Melon. My goodness, melon. If you will survive from the other animals, then we will have melon this year. I think we have also watermelon on that side. And I don't want to disturb them. I have two, I see those. I don't know if you can see, but there. And there, it's a melon. Yep. Here, have also like, yeah, we keep on harvesting our cucumber. Do you like cucumber? I do like cucumber. We have also like, yan. Oh, someone's been eating. There's alugbati and sweet potato. We have onions. Mama just like to just mix whatever. Oh, here. I'll show you the, yeah, alugbati. This bunch. Alugbati, there you go. Also like okra. Yeah, we did not really pull the weeds. It's so tiring with pulling the weeds. Ooh, look at this one. I forgot this type of tomato. Look at that. Oh, ang dami-daming bunga niya. Azim. Huh? Ang dami guys, azim. Ito naman yung lemongrass namin. There you go. Ayan, look at that. Lemongrass. Pidugan ang may batang guys. Gano'n ni Bato? Gana. That's my mom. So this is my garden, guys.